The koala is named after the fact it does not drink water, straight from the Dharug language of Aboriginal Australia. The word itself is basically a label that means no water. That single detail has been attached to this animal since the very first time Europeans wrote it down. The word first appeared in English records in 1808, borrowed directly from the Aboriginal peoples of the Sydney region. The Dharug language gave us several versions of the name, written down variously as kula, kula, and kula by early colonial settlers. The earliest formal record we have dates to 1828, just decades after British colonization of the continent. Each spelling was just a different attempt to capture the same spoken Aboriginal word. Here is where it gets genuinely interesting. The Dharug word gula, the root behind kula and kula, carries the meaning of no water or does not drink. Europeans in 1808 were essentially naming this animal after its most baffling behavior. Settlers watched koalas sit in trees for hours and never once descend to find a water source. The koala was not being stubborn or drought-adapted in some mysterious way. It gets almost all its hydration directly from eucalyptus leaves, which are around 50% water by weight. So the Dharug speakers had basically documented a scientific fact about the animal long before any biologist arrived. The name was never a myth. It was always an accurate observation built right into the word. Drop the name of another animal whose meaning surprises you in the comments. Subscribe if etymology is your thing.